All right, we are here at Old Galveston Square in downtown Galveston. This is the elevator here, and it's an old Otis Series 1, older Otis Series 1. I want to show you something once we get out of here. Indicator doesn't work. 3. If it works, indicator is completely burnt out. ADA phone, works on 1. 3 does work, but the light is burnt out. Anyways, this is just your basic elevator with a cleaner inside here. These are your fixtures. They're older Otis Series 1. Bang! That door is loud. Steven has recorded this elevator before, and there's also something else I want to show you. Look at this right here. This right here is a Westinghouse glass elevator, but as you can see, it is completely decommissioned. Look at that indicator right there. It totally reminds me of the Delco garage that Justin has. Almost exactly like that. And also this reminds me as well of the Westport Plaza where Andrew has filmed this first elevator. So look at this elevator. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh no, that's inside the elevator cab. I thought there's an open door. I wonder what that daylight is for. See, look at that right there. This elevator is totally and beyond repair. So anyways, there it goes, and that's it.